So, Sunber hair, okay? First time working with them. First off, let me just say this. The hair, I don't know what it smells like, but babe, can you run, hurry up, run, I need to hear your feet. Come on, run. Smell it. Does it have a stinky smell or no?
No.
Smells good, because y'all know my ass can't smell. But listen, 3 bundles, body wave, true to length, honey. Let me show y'all. This is the 28. Y'all see that? Is that the 28? Hold on, let me make sure. Yes, honey, 28 to the booty, okay? Virgin human hair, okay? And the bundles are pretty decent. You see that? This gonna be a really nice hairdo. Are y'all ready for this hairdo? Because it's coming. Y'all need to get you some. Link in the bio. Beautiful, curly, soft. No shedding.
She talking it, she ain't trying it. He keep calling me crying, bitch. Dance how you killed this. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment.